power box off the right. We discussed some mitigation for that. And now as we come in here, now we come into turn 9. This banking has always been there. We've got a power box on the outside of turn 9, or apex of turn 10. How do we mitigate that? We got a building on the left to mitigate. And then we come into turn 11. Turn 11 is fairly unchanged. Got a fire hydrant here on the inside, which doesn't affect motorcycles too much. And now we get back onto the drag strip. And other than moving some K-wall out of the way and grinding down this lip that's right here at the beginning of the drag strip, this is very, very feasible. So we're hoping we can work with them and make something happen. Fingers crossed, guys. Thank you, RJ, for filming. He's the track manager here.